I am interested in learning some Gaelic football words, Calum, and I'm hoping you can help me out, seeing as you're Mr. Gaelic. What is the word for free kick?
Breab-peanais.
Breab.
Sir.
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 Sir. Goal.
Tadhal.
Towel.
Towel.
Towel. Corner.
You're testing me here. I'm starting to doubt myself.
You're supposed to be Mr. Gaelic.
I know. I'm falling to pieces. I'm feeling the pressure. Cornair.
Corner. Is it just corner? Right, okay. Yellow card.
Card bhuidhe.
Card bhuidhe.
Card bhuidhe.
Red card.
Card dhearg.
Penalty.
Peanas. On you go.
Say that one again.
Peanas.
Peanas. Okay.
Or breab-peanais.
Or breab-peanais.
Yeah.
What's the difference?
Well, you can use either one.
Peanas. Good to know. I'm not making a comment. And to finish, Scottish Cup final.
h-Alba. Give it a crack.
I didn't understand any of that. Cúpa
na h-Alba.
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 Cúpa h-Alba.
There you go, you're fluent.
Thanks, Fergie.
I'll make a pundit of you next.
I'll be fluent in no time.
Exactly.